Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to your 15-minute strength flow. Today, all you need is 2 yoga blocks, a yoga mat, and when you're ready, we'll start on your hands and knees. Okay, starting on our hands and knees, we're going to start by planting our wrists nice open palm, pointer fingers pointing forward, rooting the knuckles of our hands into the mat. If it's too much weight on your wrists, you can bring the knees forward to take some of the weight off. If not, keep them in a tabletop position. We'll start to rock forward and back. 2, 1, and now hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to turn our hands up to the sides, and we're going to rock left and right. Okay, try to focus on the eye of the elbow pointing inward. Perfect. Nice. Okay, for 3 and 2, last one, 1. Good. Now we're going to turn our fingers towards us. Same exact thing. Rocking back for 3, 2, and 1. Great. Let's go ahead and take our knuckles together and push them into each other and against the mat. From here, while pushing into the mat and the knuckles together, you're going to go ahead and straighten the arms as much as you can and bend them. And we'll just do a few of those. 3 and 2, last one, 1. Perfect. Go ahead and bring your hands back to the starting position and your tabletop position, and we're going to start by rocking in one direction. Focus on putting weight into your wrist where it feels good. If it doesn't feel so good, then try to back off on that area or put a little less weight. All right, for 3, 2, and 1. We'll go the other direction. 2, and 1. Perfect. While we're in this position here, we're going to practice protraction and retraction of the shoulders, meaning we're simply going to push and round like a cat, and then we're going to pull the belly button down, pull the chest through like a dog. So we'll find a few cat-cows, really reaching, rounding, and then cow, pull the chest through around the lower back. And exhale, inhale on the cats. Exhale on the cows. Perfect. From here, we're going to sit back onto our ankles so they're nice and flat. And take your right hand on your right knee and pull the knee up. Option to have your left hand here for balance. Okay, 2, and 1. And we'll switch to the other side. Left hand. 3, 2, and 1. Option to challenge yourself here. You can keep your hands rooted onto the sides, or you can keep them in front of you as you start to lean back, lifting the ankles up, or if the hands are here, help support you. For 3, 2, and 1, and we'll come back onto our tabletop position, and with the feet flat, go ahead and tap them out to massage them. Perfect. From here, we'll go ahead and curl the toes under and find our way into our downward dog. Nice long spine, wrap the triceps under. Bend the knees as much as you need to have a long straight spine. Head in between the arms. Extend the right leg up and reach it up and over. Nice slight bend as you look under your right armpit. Take the right knee and reach it up and to the outside of your right hand, placing your left knee onto the mat. come up into a lunge and place your hands onto your thigh. From here, inhale and round your upper body like a cat, feeling a nice deep stretch on the front of the left thigh. For 2 and 1. Bring your hands to the mat, inside of the leg. Place your right hand onto the inside of your right thigh and push the right foot onto the outer edge as you start to lean back, opening your right side of the hip. Inhale and exhale. Find 2 more breaths here. In and out. Last breath in. As you exhale, bring your hands forward. Start to straighten the front leg as you come back onto the back left heel. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, folding forward. With each inhale, come a little bit out of the pose. And with your exhales, you find a little bit more depth. 1 more inhale. And exhale. Inhale, coming forward. Bring your right leg back. Curl the back toes under. Lift the hips up to the sky, down dog. Weighting to the right foot. Bend the left knee. Extend it up and over, looking under your left armpit. Take the left knee high and place the foot on the outside of the left hand and place the right knee down. From here, come up into your lunge, hands on the thigh. Inhale, rounding like a cat. One more inhale. As you exhale, place the hands onto the mat. Firm weight into the right arm. Place the left hand onto the inside of the left thigh and press your foot into the outer edge as you lean back. Engaging the right glute to protect the spine. One more breath in. As you exhale, place the hands into the center. Start to bring the weight back as you straighten the left leg, hands on the side to support you. Curling the left toes up, driving the left heel into the ground. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale. Exhale. One more. In and out. Slowly walk the hands forward, straighten the back leg, and square yourself up to the side of the mat, toes pointing forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, folding forward. Option to keep the hands here. You can also take them behind, interlace behind your back, and extending as you fold. Inhale. And exhale, relaxing the head and neck. Inhale, exhale, relax the head and neck down. Release the grip you have. Place the hands in front of the mat. Start to walk the hands forward, bending the back knee, placing the hands to frame the front foot, and bringing the left foot back to your down dog. Great job. From here, we're going to do some sun salutations. So I'll cue you as we go, and you choose your own adventure, okay? Inhale, look between the hands, bend the knees, stepping forward. Inhale, rising all the way up. Exhale, palms in front of the chest. Inhale, reach the arms up, slight back bend. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, place the hands on the mat, step your feet back into your plank. As you exhale, lower the knees and you lower yourself all the way down. From here, bring yourself up into cobra, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Exhale, come back down. as you push yourself through child's pose into downward dog. Great. Okay, next variation, inhale up between the hands. You can either step now or you can hop. Bend the knees, step or hop forward. Rising all the way up. Palms in front of the chest, exhale. Inhale, reach the arms up. Slight back bend as you exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Option for hands on the shins. Exhale, place the hands on the mat. Step or hop back. Second option now, either lower the knees or come down into your halfway down, chaturanga. Curl the toes under, inhale through. Shoulders back, pull the chest up. Upward dog. Exhale, lift the hips up into downward dog. Great, 3 more of those. Inhale, bend the knees. Step or hop forward. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, palms in front of the chest. Inhale, reach the arms up, slight back bend. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, down into your plank. Exhale, and all the way down into your chaturanga, or all the way down. Inhale through upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. 2 more. Inhale, bend the knees, step or hop forward. Rising up. Exhale, palms in front of the chest. Inhale, reach the arms up, slight back bend. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, lower to your plank, chaturanga. Inhale through, upward dog. Exhale, down dog. Last one, look between the hands, step, hop forward. Rising all the way up. Exhale, palms in front of the chest. Inhale, reach the arms up, slight back bend. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, lower down. Last one, chaturanga. Through to upward dog. And down dog. Wrap the triceps under, lengthen the spine, head is neutral between the arms. Try to find stillness here. Take a nice deep inhale, long exhale. Try to emphasize long inhales and exhales. Let's continue to fire it up a bit. We're going to come forward into our plank. We're going to hold it for 1 minute. Option at any point, you can lower the knees to the ground, or you can challenge yourself and bring them up, okay? As soon as you're ready, we'll get started. Really press and round using all the muscles in your serratus, which are the side of your abs, and under the arms, your core. Use the back muscles, press through the arms. That's 15 seconds. Squeeze the thighs together, squeeze your butt. Looking slightly forward, about a foot. Okay, that's halfway. Press the ground away, keep rising up. Last 15 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Option to lower the knees or to curl the toes under and come to upward dog. 3 breaths here. Option also to go into cobra pose. 1 more breath in. And exhale, come down to downward dog. Bend the knees. Sit back onto your heels and slowly make your way into your back. Perfect. Bend the knees. Bring the heels towards you. You can just gently graze them with your hands. From here, place your hands onto your upper thigh. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Push your thighs away, keeping the lower back on the ground for 3, for 2, and 1. Take a nice deep inhale. Place the hands on the lower thigh, and as you exhale, press into the lower thigh, into that crevice right in the hips there. Awesome. For 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Take the feet a little bit wider. Relax your hands on the sides, right on your chest, over your heart. And windshield wipe your legs left and right, loosening up the spine. Okay, from here, bring the knees together and relax. Finding your final relaxation pose, whether it's here, or you can take your feet wide and let the toes come up to the sides and your palms up. Right. Awesome job. Take a nice deep inhale.